Let's see how Amma is going to prepare cabbage coconut stir fry. These are our ingredients. I'll show you one by one. Take a mixer grinder and add chopped onion into it. This is for grinding. So add 1-inch piece of ginger. Cut it into small pieces and add that. Then 5 to 6 garlic cloves. Add 1 cup of grated coconut. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. And 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. You may also add salt as per your taste. Now coarsely grind the mixture. Ensure that it's not ground to a paste. Now take a deep bottomed pan and add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. My mother prefers coconut oil for this preparation. Now she has also added Blackgram split and she's sauteing it until it is golden brown. Now she's adding mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 pinch, half teaspoon of cumin seeds and a few curry leaves. And she has also added 1 dried red chili. Now she's adding the coconut mixture, the ground coconut mixture into the pan and sauteing it. She's sauteing it until it is dry, until it changes its color. Now she's transferring the dried coconut mixture into a separate bowl. She has taken a fresh kadai and is adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil again. This is for sauteing the grated or the chopped cabbage. She is intentionally not sauteing the cabbage along with the coconut because when you do that, it takes a long time for the process to complete. So it's always better to saute the coconut separately, remove it from the pan and saute cabbage separately. This is a tip. You can always mix it and do, but it takes a lot of time. Now she has added salt as well as turmeric powder and she has placed the lid to let the mixture cook. Now the cabbage is ready. Now she is adding the coconut mixture into it. Now she is going to mix it thoroughly. The preparation is almost ready. Now it has to simmer for a while until it is done. It has got a beautiful aroma. You are just going to love it. And it's quite easy to prepare. Just try it. Now she's transferring the cabbage coconut stir fry into a serving bowl and we are just ready to relish on it. Enjoy.